Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 18 Wrangler Willys. So Willys is what I would call a poor man's Rubicon because it has some of the Rubicon features with the drivetrain, but doesn't have the lockers. You can see a ding right there. Got the black wheels. Little scratches right here wherever they were opening the door, they were hitting stuff. Low miles, 67,760, automatic air, just your basic sport model hardtop. But there's a trade-in. Got good tread on the tires, and then of course we sell everything with warranty. So this will have a 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Like I said, it come from out of kind of central South Dakota, so a few chips that have been touched up and stuff, but overall a nice rig and got a good look to it with black rims. So 605-692-7010.